continue covering Colorado first at 5 tonight. Tens of thousands of Colorado families will begin getting notices next month that their children's health insurance has been canceled.
Funding for CHIP, Children's Health Insurance Program, is about to run out, and Congress has sat on a reauthorization bill for months. Political specialist Sean Boyd is live at the state capitol. And Sean, if the federal program gets cut, states may have to pick up the slack.
And Dominic, the Joint Budget Committee here is acutely aware of that. This program helps kids whose parents make just above the cutoff for Medicaid, but not enough to afford private insurance. It would cost the state $159 million to continue it. And at this point, no one knows where that money would come from.
I'm panicked about what we're going to do.
Cynthia McDonald lays awake at night, worrying about whether Congress will come through for her son. 11-year-old Jack among 70,000 kids in Colorado who will lose health insurance. He has asthma.
It's just the two of us right now, and making ends meet is hard enough. It sounds so very cliche, but it is the difference between groceries and not groceries.
A bill to extend the program is stalled in the Senate. Colorado's Lieutenant Governor Donna Lind says money will run out the end of January.
Then we're going to have to think about how we have a conversation with our legislators to figure out what alternatives we might have.
Unfortunately, it's not money that we have.
Dominic Moreno with Colorado's Joint Budget Committee says the governor's budget didn't include contingency funding.
So hopefully what we can do at the state level is try to scrounge, try to find some of the money to keep this program going. But unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do it for everyone.
Colorado's U.S. Senators Cory Gardner and Michael Bennet, co-sponsors of the Senate bill.
Enough's enough. Let's get this done now. Let's lift that cloud of worry from people across Colorado. Let's get the job done.
This is the right thing. These kids are the right thing. Jack's the right thing.
The U.S. House passed a bill reauthorizing the program the beginning of the month, and the Senate bill has made it out of the Finance Committee. It's unclear why Republican leader Mitch McConnell hasn't brought it to the floor. The program has been widely bipartisan since its inception 20 years ago and has benefited 400,000 kids over that number of years. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Sean.